Hello, I am Rajeshwari, a satisfied student of Architects Academy. I had joined this academy for 1 year's NATA course. From day one itself, it has been a wonderful experience for me as Sir guided me from basic how to prepare for the NATA exam. This year, there had been certain changes in the NATA exam pattern. So Sir informed us and started our preparation accordingly. We were provided the required study material for aptitude. Due to COVID-19, we were unable to attend the physical classes, so Sir started online lectures covering all the aspects of drawing and aptitude. Vivas were conducted, mock tests were conducted which had out-of-box drawing questions, and we were given marks on the basis of our performance. We were told what was lacking or wrong in the drawing and were told to redo it. This improved our performance. Overall, both the sirs and ma'am have guided and motivated me a lot and brought the best out of me. So anyone who intends to be an architect, I would suggest that they should definitely join the Architects Academy. Thank you.